Your watch is equipped with a sensor that measures the activity. On the top left corner, you can find the icon for the main menu. The first choice here is the activity goal, which is now set to 10,000 steps. By turning, you can adjust. When you go back, you can see that I did today 52% of those 10,000 steps. So 52% of the goal I reached, which is equal to 5,293 steps. By tapping on the graph, you go much more into detail and you can see not only the number of steps, but also the distance, calories, active minutes and workouts. Then if we scroll down a little bit, we can see trends. Here you can find the average number of steps that I did every day during the week. Also the average distance and the average calories I burned. Even if you want to have a view on your previous records, you can find them here on the top of the page. You can push Today and then select the day you wish to view. If you push the crown button, actually the digital display lights up and will show you the steps that you did and the percentage of activity that you reached during the day. If you go back to the main menu, we also have a very nice function which is called Get Active Alert. With this function, you can ask your watch to alert you if you did not move for a certain period of time. For example, here is mentioned start time and end time. Imagine you're at the office from 8 AM to 5 PM and you want to be reminded every 30 minutes you have to walk around. It will keep you in shape and help you to reach your activity goals. You can enable or disable this function by pushing this button. It's 3:45 PM. I've been inactive for 31 minutes. My watch is telling me that I have to move. I can feel my watch vibrates and move is written on the digital screen.